Hello everybody. Yes, I'm smiling. I'm very happy with my makeup today. It's a perfect makeup, everyday makeup, work makeup, and of course we're gonna use limited edition eyeshadow palette from Trish McEvoy. Girls, if you like this look, if you like this eyeshadow palette, hurry up, because of course it's limited edition. I will link below all products which one I use, or most products which one I use. But today I'm gonna show you how to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Trish McEvoy. We have 4 colors here. It's a $75 palette. Also, what I like it, when you finish this eyeshadows, you can replace with different colors from Trish McEvoy. We have here, they're not totally matte, they're not really metallic, they have a slightly little glow. But look at this beautiful again eyeshadow. Let me show you how I create this beautiful look. Again, it's a perfect palette for everyone, everyday look. Remember, if I like to make a video or looks like makeup no makeup look, something soft and easy. Okay girls, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and let's start. First, I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from Trish McEvoy, and it's color sand. It's have like a pinky undertone, and I'm gonna apply on the entire my eyelid. And I'm using amazing brush. I love this brush for cream, for primer or for cream eyeshadow, and it's number 66 cream blender. I'm gonna apply this primer on the entire my eyelid. After primer, I'm gonna use blending brush from Trish McEvoy. Really like this color bristle on a brush, because they white and you always can see when it's your brush dirty or not. And we're using first color, it's a light color, and I apply it close to my brow bone. And we're done with you with first color. Again, remember, it's a work look, so be something neutral, makeup no makeup. All I wanna look young, that's it. Second step, I have another big blending brush from Trish McEvoy, and we're gonna use this beautiful, like a light gray color. And I'm gonna apply on my low lid. This is my low lid, and I'm gonna slightly, little bit up. We have 2 colors with you, lighter color and this beautiful like gray color, but on my eyelid it's like a gray with little bit brown undertone, looks like. Again, second color, big blending brush, and we're gonna apply on the entire my lower lid, and we pushing up. Again, we have with you only 2 colors. They already look so pretty. Remember, it's your work look. You don't have too much time in the morning. Now, if you don't even want to use any of these colors, it's okay. You can just put mascara and you're ready to go. Most important, you look fresh, wake up, and it's like makeup no makeup. But we are gonna use another 2 colors. I do like this palette a lot. Third color, we're gonna use this beautiful orange color, but let me show you where I'm gonna exactly put this color, because this color, this color will lift my eye. I apply right here. You can see it's a circle area, right there. I applying above my suckle area. Right here, like I always say, it's my middle color. I feel in my bone. This is where I apply this color. It's little bit more pop color. It's little bit more brighter, and this is what's gonna happen. It's gonna lift my eye. And look at one my eye and another, and you can see how this lifted already. And one more time I'm gonna blend and push in this color little bit more to corner of my eyelid, right here. Not all the way here, just on the top. I wish Trish McEvoy will send me this palette for free. No, I really like it. Can somebody else reach for me? I'm a horrible person to reach brands. I'm telling you, yes I am. Now I'm gonna use small tiny brush from North, one of my favorite brush, and we're gonna use this darker color. I'm gonna use in the corner, and I'm gonna use a little bit underneath to make my eyes bigger. I'm using North brush, and now I'm gonna apply this color in the corner of my eye. And I apply this darker color kind of on the corner, and I pushing close to my brow. Also, I'm gonna apply this darker color very soft above my suckle area. I have very little eyeshadow left here, and I'm gonna use underneath. My eye looks so beautiful, soft, natural, makeup, no makeup. By the way, you must subscribe my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, because usually you see a short video, shorts, and then in 1 week or 2 weeks you see this video, full video on my YouTube channel, Katya Beauty Style. And of course, I will list the product below just for you. Again, you can see I'm just blending very gentle, very soft, this darker eyeshadow underneath. But look at one my eye and another. I think it's a huge difference. Look at how bigger this eye, and it's just nice, beautiful, like soft pop. We're almost done. I'm gonna set my makeup right now with Natura Base setting mist. So good. Now I'm gonna use my little bit finger, and I'm gonna use this lighter color, and I'm gonna apply kind of on the center my eyelid right here to a little bit more pop and open my eye. And you can see how it's already like pop, pop. And we're gonna put a little bit in the corner, a little bit more close to my brows. Again, it's a natural look. It's your everyday work look, or everyday work. It's just Trish McEvoy. She always like makeup look settled, natural, like makeup, not makeup. And I think I reached her goal. I have small tiny brush, and again I'm gonna apply a little bit this lighter color more close to my brow bone. Now curling my lashes with Laura Mercier lash curler. And now I'm gonna use two eyeliner. One is blue, Trish McEvoy, and one is brown. And I want you to see this beautiful blue color. Now I'm gonna use my favorite Simply Human mirror, and we're gonna use this first brown color from Trish McEvoy, brown like it's a aubergine, deep aubergine color, and I'm gonna apply very close to my lashes on top, but underneath on my waterline and between lashes underneath we're gonna use blue, and it's just beautiful effect. I'm not sure it's camera gonna show this effect or not, but it's just so beautiful. Wow, look at how soft, how neutral this eyeshadow is. Again, I'm so happy. It's make me look so young, this look. I have my little Q-tip and I'm just gonna slightly, little bit clean this brown eyeliner. And now again we're gonna use this beautiful blue eyeliner. I'm lifting my eye and I apply this blue color underneath. Again, I apply this blue eyeliner between my lashes and on the waterline. Now I'm gonna put nude eyeliner on my waterline. And then, you know, I love sparkles. I'm gonna use my favorite eyeshadow, sparkly eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown with my finger, not brush. And I'm just gonna apply right here on the center of my eyelid. And it's so pretty and sexy. And I'm finishing this look with two different mascara. I'm gonna use Trish McEvoy. It's a high volume mascara, small tiny brush. I'm gonna use on the bottom, and then on top I'm gonna use primer from Christian Dior and the volume mascara from Chanel. I want a really big volume on top, but underneath I need just some small touch of mascara. Now, like I mentioned, I have foundation on me, but I want a little bit clean. I have a beauty blender puff. I'm gonna use Trish McEvoy transparent powder. It's white. I'm gonna just little bit apply my puff, and I'm gonna just slightly clean underneath on my eye. And you can see, just give me nice beautiful eye lift. Let's put little bit powder on center, right here, and then we're gonna apply little bit blush. Let me use brand new blush from Giorgio Armani. It's gorgeous. I have 6 these beautiful blushes from Giorgio Armani. I'm not sure which one I like it. You know what? I will choose one, and probably next my video it's gonna be all about Giorgio Armani blushes. For my blush, I'm gonna use this beautiful soft pink color, number 51. It's beautiful. I feel it will look good on anyone. It is very pretty. We're gonna finish this look with very soft lip colors from Trish McEvoy. Lip liner, it's a Bear's Air and Innocent brand new lip gloss. I feel little bit this lip liner maybe too brown, but you know what? I'm just gonna little bit mix with lip gloss and looks okay. But I love this lip color. It's so beautiful lip gloss. It's new. Voila, we're done. Thank you so much for subscribing, watching, and all your love and all your support. Bye everybody.